as you can see. I'm not going to be able to freaking go back there. It's too deep. Look at all the rust. What? Take a picture? Yeah, I'm filming right now. It's a lot of water coming in. You can see it dripping all over the place too. All the mines in Washington, I swear to God, all they do is leak. Fill up with water. Even on top of a freaking mountain. At least I know. It doesn't go too far back. It doesn't look like it goes too far back. Whoa. Okay. I think I gotta go. Almost fell.